We are off to Lowe's to me and my partner here to go get the stuff for the greenhouse. We're going to be building a greenhouse. So we'll see you in a little bit. We're going to borrow a trailer from my cousin.
Hey guys, so we ordered online with Lowe's to grab stuff that we needed to build our greenhouse. Here's a tarp. I know it's upside down. We got 6mm clear tarp for the greenhouse, and then here's all of the supplies. Got some topsoil because we're going to be planting some plants today, and we couldn't make a run to the local place in town to fill up the truck, but we got our pressure treated wood, some PVC piping. We got the boards for support on the inside, and we got clamps and a bunch of odds and ends on in a bag on the inside of the house here. But
and what's all those plants over there?
Yep. That's where they're going. So, started out really nice and cool today. It was about 62 when we woke up this morning, and now it's hot again. But I did get the backyard mowed.
Stole my mower.
You can see the video on that one. It's actually pretty funny. Didn't know he was filming me. And there's Braden helping out. You gonna carry him? Carry him over there to Daddy.
Hop it up, Braden.
Don't hit any plants.
I hope I'm not.
Don't walk on any plants.
Daddy's big helper.
Watch the plant. You gotta be careful.
Trailer to do this.
Yeah, well, you gotta be careful with the plants. You gotta look where you're going.
We bought Karen's trailer on the truck. I get all this stuff on here, and the one thing's in the back in the truck.
Are you sure you don't want me to put this down and help you out?
Yeah, you can if you want.
You want the big one or the tiny one? Because the big one's much bigger.
All right. I'm gonna go help him out for a little bit. See y'all later.
All right, we got our posts in the ground to start with. You can see where I notched them. This is for the 2x6. It's going to run that way. This is a 2x4 that goes across the 8-foot section. I got them notched. I cut the 2x4. I cut 3 inches off there to lay out so the outside is going to be 8 feet across. We're now going to cut another 4x4 for the halfway point down this run at 11 feet, because we're going to have 22 feet altogether. Alright, so again, you can see how I notched them so they fit in there so they'll be flush, or as flush as possible. And
turn it and do the same thing you did last time?
No, we're only. All right, guys, we got one side done. We put our post in, got our top board going across. This is the board that the hoops are going to go on. They're going to go on the inside, and they'll hoop up and come down. So this is just a quick update on how things are going. We're halfway done with the bottom frame. All right, we got most of the frame of the greenhouse up, at least the bottom part of the frame. It's nice and square, level. Everything came out real good. You see how I cut the knots for the joints. I got a center bar to keep that part center. Now I got to put hoops up on each end, and we have a pole going up the center right here on each side. That'll hold the tunnel part steady. Okay, Foresters, day 2 of the greenhouse build. You can see I've got all the posts up except for the ones for the center, and I got the hoops up on the ends. Next, I will be laying out for the hoops down the walls. All right, Foresters, we got our sides up, we got our hoops in place, we got our poles on each end, and we got our center pole running down the side, bolted down the center of each one. If you're going to build a greenhouse like this, a little word of advice: your hoops, measure the center of them, at least measure and mark it before you put it up, because it is a pain in the butt running a tape along an arch to get your center mark. I got a couple of them off, so you see a little wiggle there, but you know, we're not building a piano here, we're building a greenhouse. But it's all pretty solid. I did go ahead and put a 2x4 in the center, in the very center, just to give it a little extra support. And now we're going to put the plastic on. So we'll see you in a little bit. The finished product. This is our tropical tree greenhouse. It's all finished. 4x4s, 2x4s, PVC conduit, electrical conduit. We have them on the sides. We've got the plastic fastened to the conduit so we can roll it up. We have the electrician's tie strap right here that we use to hold the sides up. You just unwind the 14-2 with ground, and the sides will roll down. We got 3 pieces that holds it up. This is what we call the electrician tie strap. We got it in the front, so all 4 sides roll down. You come inside, you can see the ribs are all made out of electrical conduit, and we have a center bar running down down the very center of it. And when we let the sides down, we got those blocks over there that we put down to hold it so the wind doesn't blow it. And it's that simple. It was pretty easy to put up. We put it up in one weekend, not working too hard to do it. And I think this will work great. It'll give our trees plenty of height. We're going to keep it down to where we can pick it at hand height anyway, so we're not going to let them get any more than about 7 foot tall. This is a little over 8 foot to the top, probably about 8.5 feet, closer to 9 down there, because we are in a little bit of a slant. But we kept the roof level. So we got our mangoes and our soursop will be protected this winter. And we grow mint around to help protect them from the bugs. You can see. All right, there you have it. That's our greenhouse. So remember, grow something for your family.
All right, if you like that video, give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe. We also are on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, and we also have a Facebook group where you can post your own pictures and also make comments and help other people grow something for your family.